Put your hands together and welcome the king himself, Tofiga!
For all my cousins that are up there, they came for the free man.
Aloha family, it's Tofiga here, and welcome to Fresh TV. Welcome to my show. Great to see you all here tonight. Welcome. Welcome to our show. Couldn't help but notice there's a lady here sort of struggling to see me. I should have known this mic stand was going to get in the way. So 2003 started off with Etia had a show, Laughing with Samoans, and James, who we got opening tonight, was part of that as well. So a bit of history there. And it was the first time I did stand up because I was working a 9-to-5 job and just didn't feel like there was always still something in my heart that I really wanted to do, and might as well give it a go now. And then I said to my wife I wanted to give stand up a go. And then she said, mentioned to ask Ete, who, because we were related, and he was the only one that I knew was doing, comedy and drama and all that stuff. So I asked him if I can have 5 minutes, and that's where it started back in 2003.
You know what's happening in the
You
world?
don't know what's happening in the world. You don't know anything.
I know anything.
I always get nervous, and I think it's a good thing to be nervous because it's a nervous where I just want to get out there, I want to do well, want to make sure people get their money's worth, make sure people are happy, but never nervous where I'm too scared to go on stage,
Hey, who wouldn't want to come to a Tofiga show? I mean, he's a celebrity, he's popular, he's funny, he's everything that, kind of like exudes a Polynesian.
It's everything, mate, like you really relate to the humour, so it's good to get a bit of a taste of, our people, so yeah, loving it.
I'm feeling good for many reasons, not only because you guys are a sellout crowd tonight. I noticed my family are cheering too loud because they're here on comps, but because my wife doesn't laugh at my jokes, so it's like, that's why I love my family kongais, or get-togethers at church and things like that with the friends, because that's when I'll practice stuff, or that's where I'll find new stuff, as we're talking about different topics. With me going solo, but when I'm working with someone, it's always easier that way.
Illegal. Yeah.
Easier solo to work around, for me, my family's first and foremost. So working solo, I can work it around my kids and what they've got. What do you call the Samoans with the big feet? Let me correct you tonight. Those are the Tongans. Doing what I do now is I'm really excited for what's ahead for the next generation. For me, I'm just happy, I stand on the shoulders of many who have gone before and who had to smash doors down, and where it's a bit easier for us now. We're opening doors for everyone else to come through. I looked at my mum closer, and my mum, and she had a tear come down from her eye. I mean, where else does it come from? Thanks heaps for joining me on my show. Hopefully to see you at the next one. Keep it fresh. Go the Raiders. Yeah!